doing some colorful AI nail art. That's right, that's right. I was looking on the interwebs, been seeing lots of AI nail art here, there, everywhere. Like seeing people bringing them into their nail stylists saying, "Can you do this for me?" Over the top, done by AI, and like, oh my gosh. But I had, with all of these ones, I was looking at very colorful ones that were kind of rainbowy, yellow, pink, green. All this awesomeness is just like all of these that you see and everything. But I had an idea of doing one specific one that was more, yes, it might be AIE, but then I thought this is more on the realm that I could do it myself potentially. So the image is definitely AIified. But some of these I'm not going to do, especially because there's 3D stuff on it. Well, actually, I could do 3D on it. It would just have to be gems of 3D-ness. And I do have some 3D flowers like you saw in that one. So that is interesting enough to think about. So let's get to it and make these AI nail arts come to life on my natural nails of it all. Yes, that's right. So let's see what comes of these rainbow, fun, colorful nails in my own way, bringing the AI to life. Well, we'll see how close we get to the AI-ness of it all. To the first color of pink of this rainbow nail of it all on that tip. Now the next color that it was showing, some purple. Yes, purple. And we're lining it up, doing a rainbow. And now some dark, interesting, nice blue. Yes, blue color. Making sure I get that nice finger in without overloading it with too much polish. I do one color to the next. Now some green. This is more of a limey kind of very light green, but why not? As we brought it up with this color in the mix. And of course, that orange. Now with the second coat of some yellow. So we're doing pink. And then the purple again, and then the blue again, giving it all a second nice coat. And the green, looking much better with the second coat. And of course, that orange. Yes, there was yellow, but I'm doing orange instead of yellow. I felt like changing it up. So there we go, and I'm doing it what they had, which was nice and sparkly. So two different ones with the two different hollow toppers. And now my other nail that I'm doing that they had was more like a French off-kilter with two colors. So I'm doing very similar of the tones, the green, and instead of the yellow, the orange. Yes, the orange, and of course the second coat as well. Doing the best I can, and all that. Looking nice. And now with that, my other nail, the ring finger with the purple on the tip, because that's kind of what it looked like in the AIified image of nails, with that green once again to go with it. Let's clean that off. There we go. Now we're doing a nice top coat of that sparkle, the more simplified one, and the gems, of course. I did say I had some flowers. These aren't 100% the same flowers, but I thought, why not some roses? So let's get that going and do it in a similar way where there was some flower at the bottom, now at the top, which I thought I did as close as I could to the color scheme that they gave, and all of that. And now we're just doing a nice little coat again on that pink ring finger as it now has dried. Hopefully not getting it too thickified, if I say so. And that green, because we want to make sure all the colors are nice, because as you can see, there is that line there. And now we go back, adding that other one in the middle that was on there. And I happened to have these other kind of flowers, so I thought, why not the other flowers? And of course, bringing in that sparkle. These ones are more just a simple sparkle, and the gem as well, just like on the middle nail of the AI nail art. And they had kind of one in the middle and two on the sides, but I didn't have exact, as I've said, so they're going to be a little bit small, but they're as close as I can get from what I have. I didn't have two pink ones, so I did pink and this kind of orangey color. Now with all that, let's hold it on with a nice thick glossy top coat. Looking good, if I do say so. Just making sure it gets all the little bits of what it needs after the glue and everything. Looking all nice outside, right? And everything. Bam. We're my makeup done. Looking all put together for sure. Yes, that's right. This is my outfit, and this was my inspiration for the makeup. Granted, yes, I did add a hat and all that, but that was my inspiration for the makeup. That's why it's so pinky-licious with the pinky-licious lips. So, with all of that greatness, just going off all that crazy color. Feeling good. I guess I feel a little bit peace out, dudes. Kind of what it feels like with this wig and hat. Yes, that's right. I'm wearing a wig. That's why my hair has grown. And potentially. Feeling it in all of that glory. I even decided to pair it with one of my handmade, patched, knitted little vests with it all. So there we are with it and everything. Styling it all to those nails. Yep. Love my AI inspiration of some nails. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm definitely going to see what you guys thought. If you liked the AI nails more or mine. Yes. So we just got to get that up and see what you guys said. That's right.